to help us, and the goal is to figure out which stocks are going to move. So what's the goal here? Is the goal I would have thought is to find which stocks are going to move which index. What's high implied volatility going to do? What's it going to do for us? So somebody help us out and explain what it's going to do. All you options experts out there. Because we know the stocks that are going to move. We don't know all the stocks that are going to move. You know, we know Tesla's going to move. We know Apple's going to move. We didn't know Snap was going to move. How could we have known? Ah, I hear you. Okay, help me. Okay, so show me how to find stocks that have that implied high implied volatility. Am I asking too much? uh, okay, so all right, so I'm gonna have to learn how to scan for implied volatility. Okay, Calvin says go to scan. Okay, go to scan. I'm there. Now, how do you go into options on Thinkorswim? Oh, this is going to make me look too stupid, people. I can't do this in the trade room. I don't want to look this stupid. Add a filter. Yeah, there's plenty of YouTube videos. I'm going to have to watch YouTube videos. Add a filter option. No, so there's a way. So what I'm looking to do is add a scan for implied volatility on all, let's say, Dow 100 stocks. Well, it's going to give me the list. Yeah, yeah. Implied volatility. But I don't know, but what's it scanning on? What's it scanning on? Uh, okay, I see. Hmm. So theoretically, right? So if we none of the following, none of the following. So maybe that's wrong. Open shared item. And Mark is saying something too. Uh, I don't even know where. Yeah, I see it. I see it. A scan query. I'm just looking at something, folks. Hang on. Copy his link. Go to settings. I don't know what I'm doing, folks. I'm sorry. So what do I do at your link? Okay, set up at the top right. Open shared item. and put that URL in there? Okay, okay, stop yelling at me, folks. Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. I'm just a person. I'm just a person. I'm not a genius here. Now, okay, it won't let me paste it. It won't let me paste it. Okay, I tried that. Let me try it again. Okay, interesting. It wouldn't let me. Hang on. So it imported it, right? Okay, so how do I, and if I full screen it and scan it, so is that, so what's this scan showing us? Implied volatility? Implied volatility percentile? So, I'm just looking to see which one's Lyft. Yep. I would think Uber would be on there, and it's not. Or is it? Oh, how do I? Yeah, how do I scroll down on it? Ah, that's what I want. Here we go. Fascinating. Fantastic. You'd think there'd be more, don't you? Mark, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Don't you think there would be more? Yeah. Yep, I think there'd be more though. Yeah, I guess it's yeah, okay. Uber's on there. TI is on there. Some of them obviously I'm surprised. Right. Uh-huh. Oh, between 80 and 101. So what does between 80 and 101 mean? What does 80 okay. Okay, so let's take this another step. So how do we know what index we should look at for most of the stocks? Now, right. Am I right though that if a stock has a four-letter symbol, it's a Nasdaq stock? Is that true still? Is that true? Does anyone know if that is true for sure? It used to be. Now, Alphabet being a particular anomaly, Comcast kind of an anomaly. Right, by date, by date. Right. When you say intersect with NASDAQ, I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. Look at the top of the scan, up in here. Top left. Ah, up here. Let me save that link. NASDAQ is there? I didn't see it. Say that again, I'm sorry. Public F to N. Oh, okay. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Interesting. Okay. 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 Great stuff. Great stuff. Okay, let me save that. Mark, thank you very, very, very much. Very, very helpful. Very helpful. Let me save that one link for the scan. So, so what exactly can you define, Chantal? What exactly is implied volatility? What does it mean for people like me and other people that don't know what it means? Okay. Okay. Oh, that was my question. I would have thought McDonald's would be one of the ones we should be looking at. No? No? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. So what's the value? So is this number here, the last number, that's the implied volatility? That's the stock price. Okay. There's okay, so what Arthur's saying, the more anticipatory move expected, the higher the cost of the option. That is implied volatility. The more expensive the option, the more they expect the stock to move. Is that what you're saying, Arthur? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Great stuff, folks. Thank you very, very much. Very, very interesting stuff. So this is this, and get back our original scan. Carvana, I'm surprised is on there. Well, it doesn't necessarily mean. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, there's a lot that I would not necessarily. This obviously there's even some companies I'm not that familiar with. Okay. Right, right. Definitely. All right, folks. So I guess Chantal, thanks. When are you leaving? I thought you're going today. No? Oh. How do you call this scan up the next time? So Wally, there's a link. Here's the link. And where the heck did I put that link? I don't remember. It's on the video. When you imported it, you import that link. All right. Thinkorswim is probably a monstrously powerful platform. I mean, it was originally designed for options. How do you like just go to a different screen? God Almighty! It's not an easy platform to navigate. How do you go to the home screen? I just want to go to the home screen from here. How do I get out of this? I don't even know how to get out of this screen. I did. Oh, there we go. That's what I did. There we go. Okay. Yeah, no, I had closed out. I had closed out my. I closed out Ninja. Right. Yeah. All right, folks. I'll stick around until. Yeah, I agree, Mark. It's just more time. You know, time is my enemy. Time is my enemy. Yep. Yeah. All right. How do you have you ever traded futures on Thinkorswim? I heard it's not that great. What's that? Years ago. Okay. All right. So for people that can't get Thinkorswim, IB is the next platform. Okay. Right. You're using IB, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Good stuff, folks. I'll stick around until Wally gets his answer. Um, they have chat rooms at Thinkorswim. I heard it's what's Apple doing today? Apple's only $142. Well, maybe I'll buy some Apple. All right, folks. Any questions about anything that we did today? Anybody have any other questions, folks? Anyone? So I just want to wish everybody to have an awesome weekend. Hey, wait a minute. Let me get rid of my toss. It's NQ open time. NQ open time. We got 5 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. Hold on, I'm not going anywhere. Let's get the NQ cracking. We got 5 minutes. Now again, this is like yesterday. I haven't looked at the NQ all morning, so it's down a little bit, down a little bit. Uh, I'm looking at the ES, the NQ, loading my strategy real quickly. Get my signals on for the NQ. We'll finish out with an NQ open. Loading my NQ'd open template. Yesterday we went long on the NQ, and it worked. It worked. I want to thank everybody in the room for being so willing to share, folks, and not making me feel stupid. Thank you very much. Okay, we got one target for 30 ticks, one target for 100, a stop of 200. And yesterday we trailed. Remember? Yesterday we tried trailing instead of automatically moving the stop. So let's set up the trail real quick. I'm turning on the trailing to start trailing at target 1, tick to tick, tick to tick. And I'm going to put it at 3. Let's see how it works this morning. So that's our NQ open. All right, what do I think is going to happen this morning? I think we're going to go retest the high. I think we're going to retest the high. But I'm in simulation. I'm not live. Just full transparency. I'm not live on the NQ open this morning. All right. Arthur, it's not, the video is not even done yet. It's still recording. The video's still recording. Well, there's a couple of different videos. They're nowhere. They're on my computer. We're trying to get, we hired a company to start posting content. We're going to be posting a lot more content. It's in the cloud. It's in the cloud. It's not in the cloud. Arthur, is there something in particular you want? Send me an email. I can usually send you what you want. Send me an email, help@10minutetrades.com. Seriously, if somebody's desperate for something that you know we recorded in the trade room, send me an email. I'll try to help. I will try to help. Okay? Hey, my phone, it's out for delivery. My phone is out for delivery. Out for delivery. Out for delivery. All right. 9:30. I'm going to wait 20 seconds for the NQ to open. I'm trading with signals this morning. Just going to try signals, okay? I'm thinking that we're going to get a gap fill. Unless the market decides to drop dead and I'm wrong, I'm going to wait at least 20 seconds before getting in. I'm thinking maybe it's going to go retest that high. Personally, I don't like being long any market these days. 20 seconds I'm waiting. 20 seconds. The low is not that far away either. Okay, it's got to break this candle at least. It's got to break that candle. So it's past 20 seconds. It's a Friday. I'm taking it short, and I'm taking it as a scalp. Let's let the trail work. Let's see if I'm right first. Now I'm simulating this morning. I have no idea what this market's going to do this morning. No idea. No idea. If it hits my first target, it'll start to trail. See, it's trailing now. Bingo. Okay. I was only trading signals this morning. I thought it might go long. I really thought it might go long. That looked like a good signal to me. Okay? Looked like a good signal. I had a 100 tick target and a 30 tick target. So that was 130 ticks. $2,000 risk on the full size NQ on that. $2,000 risk if you trade that live. If you trade that live. Okay. Anybody got any questions? Any last questions? Next week, there's always good stuff going on. ECB next week. We're doing our earnings separately now. So it's going to be in separate trade rooms. All the earnings stuff. It's going to be different. The bosses have made a decision. Any final questions? Any final questions? Anybody? Anybody? All right. So everybody have a great rest of your day and a good weekend. Yes, Mark doing it separately. We're gonna do it separately. That's what it's looking like. You know, we said we were gonna do that three quarters ago. 3 quarters ago. We just haven't done it. We just haven't done it. I don't know what the answer is. Most everybody that's been doing it with us knows how to do it, but it changes too. And I don't think we're charging a lot for it. It's very reasonable. But we need to make money. That's the reality. Any last questions? Any last questions? The NQ Opens are really, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I've just been getting lucky on the NQ Opens or what, because look at the direction now. It went and almost tested the high. It went and almost tested that high. The NQ has these gigantic swings. It really has gigantic swings. Yep, yep, yep. It's easy in sim. It's easy in sim. It's so much harder with real money on the NQ. It really is. All right, folks. Trying to think what events. Let me tell you what the big events of next week are going to be. If you want to know the big events coming up, let me look at the schedule real quick. And the big events next week. Canada rate decision on Wednesday. That should be a big mover. ECB. Oh, Thursday. Very difficult trade. Advanced GDP, durable goods, unemployment claims. Friday. PCE. Personal income and spending. And Canada GDP. There's a lot of reports that have movement potential. A lot of reports that have movement potential. Okay. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see everybody next week. See you on Monday. Take care, folks.